Today we're going to watch a video about New Zealand. I've wanted to go to New Zealand since I was very young.
Really? I love hiking, and I know New Zealand has got some of the best places for hiking in the world.
That's right. There are rivers, bays, mountains and volcanoes to visit there.
Are there any famous places for hiking in New Zealand?
I don't know. Let's find out.
New Zealand has 2 big islands and lots of smaller islands. These islands are all in the Pacific Ocean. The capital city is Wellington. But the biggest city in New Zealand is Auckland. More than 1 million people live in this city. New Zealand has also got many beautiful places in the countryside. You can see mountains, forests, lakes, and volcanoes in the countryside in New Zealand. Hiking is very popular here because there are so many things to see. Hiking has even got a special name in New Zealand. It's called tramping. If you like tramping, New Zealand is the right country to visit. There's a very special hiking path in New Zealand called the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. This path is 19 kilometers long. If you follow the path, you'll walk across a volcano called Mount Tongariro. You'll see lots of lakes and mountains on this path too. But if you don't like volcanoes, why not try a hiking path called the Abel Tasman Coastal Track? This track has got wonderful views of the Pacific Ocean. You'll see forests, streams, and amazing waterfalls from this track too. If you walk the whole of the Abel Tasman hike, it will take you about 4 days. So, you shouldn't forget your tent and sleeping bag for your trip. On the first night of your trip, you can camp at a beautiful bay called Torrent Bay. You can see lots of wildlife on the Abel Tasman hike. You might see seals. And if you're lucky, you might see a little blue penguin too. These penguins are the smallest penguins in the world. But they're very noisy. So, which views would you like to see on a hiking trip? The ocean and a beautiful bay? A big volcano? Or some amazing wildlife? You'll see them all if you go to New Zealand.
Wow, New Zealand has got some amazing views.
Yes, I think the views from the Tongariro Alpine Crossing are the best. You can see lakes and mountains there.
And you can hike across a volcano.
Would you like to hike across a volcano?
Yes, I would. I love being outdoors. How about you?
I prefer to walk around a city. Cities have often got tall buildings with great views.